Is astral realm dangerous? That's the question I have been noticing in different communities online, and it wasn't even not necessarily formed as a question, but rather as a statement that astral realm is dangerous and nobody should venture in there. So I wanted to weigh into this topic today to share with you my thoughts on this and maybe help you overcome certain fears that exist in you when it comes to astral realm, because from my personal perspective and from my personal experience, astral realm can be an amazing resource for you, an amazing resource for healing, for exploration, for meeting your guides, for meeting all sorts of benevolent entities, benevolent beings out there, and simply have fun in life because that's my idea of fun. So when it comes to astral realm, there is an important thing to understand, is that everything that you experience, and astral realm is not an exclusion of that, is always a reflection of your own vibration. And in the astral realm, there are lower planes and there are higher planes, right? Lower planes vibrate at a lower frequency, and they can be home to all sorts of malicious entities, like darker energies, beings which don't necessarily have like good intentions and stuff like that. While the higher realms, higher planes, on the astral plane, they are home of light beings and fairies and dragons and all these beautiful entities that you can meet that actually can help you on your journey. They can be your guides as well. They can be your star family as well, that you can meet there in the astral. And depending on how you vibrate, you will access either lower realms or higher realms, right? So if you, for example, set for yourself an intention that you want to visit an astral plane, like for example, you sit in a meditation and you decide for yourself, okay, I want in my meditation to visit an astral plane today for whatever reason, right? Make sure within yourself that you do not carry any fear around that, because fear is one of the lowest vibrations, and it's a guaranteed ticket to the lower planes, to the lower areas where you will meet something something malicious that it doesn't necessarily can hurt you, but it can scare you, right? It can scare you even further, because normally even when we travel, we can ask for support from our guides, from our protectors, from the guardian angels. We can literally ask an angel to travel with us, so nothing can actually hurt us there, unless we believe it can, right? Because the second we believe something that's out of alignment with who we are, we give the power to that thing over us, right? So if you are about to travel to the astral realm, remind yourself that the fear is always an invitation for darker things to happen. It's a door towards the darker realms, darker planes of the astral plane. So you're always in control. You can always decide, okay, there's no need to be afraid. And you just simply need to raise your frequency before you do that for yourself. Very consciously, don't leave it to chance. Make sure that you are going there without any apprehension, knowing that everything will be fine, everything will be, you're protected, and you're there to connect with light beings, to connect with magical folk or whatever you want, right? And set that intention very, very firmly within yourself and feel your vibration. If you still feel low, see what kind of fears come in, or what other emotions come in, so that you can release it and raise your vibration. Of course, you can also raise your vibration by any other methods, but like if you rose your vibration and then like you are about to travel to the astral realm and you still feel fear, it will be the same, right? So it's really important to understand that your intention matters. It's only your energy that opens up doors to dangerous part of the astral realm. But if you don't open those doors and you remain in the higher levels, it will be a very beautiful, very beneficial experience for you, where you can pick up so many things for yourself, and it can be really fun. So I hope you find the tip useful for yourself. Let me know if you have already visited astral realms and who you have met and what kind of experience you've had there. I am super curious about that, guys. So thank you very much, and see you next time.